I'm here with.
Coach Glover.
I'm here with.
Mr. 5 out of 5 himself.
I'm here with.
Clay.
And today we're doing college baseball trivia. And your first question is, what player has hit the most home runs in college baseball?
Some runs college baseball. Will Clark.
Pete Indigovia, Anchovia, Ingenovia, Ravioli. I don't know, something like that.
Pete and Cavaglia?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Dansby Swanson.
That is incorrect. It is Pete and Cavagilla. All right. Your next question. How many College World Series has the University of Vanderbilt won?
4.
We'll give it to you. It was 5. That is correct.
No, I'm Mr. 5 out of 5, so number 5.
How many College World Series has Vanderbilt won?
5.
3.
Clay got it right. It is 5. Your next question is, where did Centennial alumni Tony Kemp play college baseball?
Vanderbilt.
That is correct.
That's easy. Vanderbilt.
That is correct.
Lipscomb.
Vanderbilt.
That is correct. Good job, Clay. Your next question. Who were the top 4 teams in the 1982 college baseball season?
Oklahoma State, Miami, USC, and Penn State.
Wichita State, Texas, Arizona State, and Miami, the big U.
At 1, Michigan State, and then the rest don't really matter.
Vanderbilt, Lipscomb, UT, and Virginia.
That is incorrect. It is Wichita State, Texas, Arizona State, and Miami. Your last question. On July 1st, 1859, the first college baseball game was played. What were the 2 colleges that played in this game?
Harvard and Yale.
That is incorrect. It is Amherst College and Williams College. 2 out of 5. Good job.
Thank you.
Respectable.
Thank you.
But it's like AC, something, something, something with like some T's and some A's in there. But you know,
Amherst.
yeah, Amherst.
What was the other one?
Williamson College.
That is correct. Good job. 5 out of 5.
You know, I'm the great one. You know, I'm next to LeBron, Tom Brady, Michael Jordan. Nobody can beat me in this stuff.
Michigan State.
Texas and Berlin.
That is incorrect. It is Amherst College and Williams College. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job.